Hey guys, so this is my Valentine's look, a very soft look, and I believe everyone actually prefer a very simple look, and this is the best option for all of you guys. In my today's tutorial you will get to know that how to achieve this beautiful soft peachy look for your Valentine Day. So today I'm going to review one more amazing product from L'Oreal Paris, and I've got an amazing PR kit from L'Oreal Paris that they sent to me, and how to achieve this look I'll give you a full tutorial. So watch this video till the end, and guys, this look is super duper easy for this Valentine. So without any further ado, let's start this video.
So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance. Take a chance on faith. It's too late now. It's something I never wanna say. I stand my ground. I need to be who I'm meant to be. Yeah, I don't see it any other way. I know I gotta keep the faith. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a